Alright, we got our new keyboard today. This just a clear framework keyboard for the 16. Just comes in a orange box, and of course that comes inside of a brown cardboard shipping box. But yeah, that's wrapped in there. Pretty simple, nice packaging, not polluting too much. But yeah, this keyboard lights up. This is just your standard backlit white keyboard. Yeah, pretty simple. I haven't even plugged it in yet, so we'll see that's what it's gonna look like, how bright it is. And then yeah, you gotta take that off. Pull them two tabs on the end to do all that, to release all of that. And let's see if I can do this. There we go. Let's see if there's any visual differences, I suppose, on the back. Huh? They look pretty identical. They both have the QR codes and yeah. I don't notice any extra contacts or anything. Yeah, let's see what it does. I can tell right away just from the feel of it, yeah, it feels. In terms of actuation, things like that, it's identical. These keycaps do feel different though. These have a, you can almost hear it. Standard, it's kind of soft plastic feel to them. These are definitely, you can't hear even my finger on it. They're much slicker. If I had to compare it to something, this feels more like the back glass on a modern iPhone, that frosted glass, where this feels more like the cover screen, that slicker kind of glass. But yeah, they're plastic. Yeah, they look great. I think it looks great. I mean, you can see the mechanisms. There should be a bunch of LEDs in there, and we'll just drop it in. Make sure it sits under there. It's gonna look a little strange with the normal keypad. They do sell a whole macro pad that looks just like this, but I'm not gonna go that far. I like my number pad. Put that back on. That can go on. And well, let's see. Now the normal keyboard, it's, oh yeah, there it comes. Pretty bright, just from the start, I can tell you that's pretty bright. If you're a little self-conscious about your computer hardware, that's gonna stand out. Let's see, so on the normal keyboard, it is just function and spacebar to toggle through the various functions. So let's see if I can tone this down. Yeah, okay, so just function 2, 3. Yeah, so from the start, it's the same as this one, function spacebar. You get 3 levels. That's good. That's getting, the level 3 is pretty seriously bright. I don't know if there's, I'm sure there's scripts and things you can get to program that however you want. I don't know how friendly Windows is to that. I think Linux is more of the crowd for that. But yeah. So if you can kind of get the idea of the brightness before, yeah, that is considerable, considerably brighter. But I like it. It's definitely unique in the world of keyboards. Well, yeah, obviously it's going to be much brighter. There's so much more area for the key to shine through, for the light to shine through, instead of something like this, where for the most part it just comes through the legend and then a little bit around. And there's no barrier to this. It just illuminates everything. But it's interesting, yeah. And hopefully you liked it. If maybe you're considering it. It's 109 bucks before shipping. 127 something afterwards, but yeah, I mean, I'll keep this around just to have it. But now it's got a little more flair. That's gonna it's gonna stand out in public certainly, but hey, it's something new. But I'll keep looking into it and seeing if there's a way to program this to do something else. Easily program it. I'm not gonna dig into coding or anything, but I might just leave it like that and blind everybody. Well, yeah, hey, thanks for watching. If you're considering it, that's what it looks like.